Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix too many requests. Please try again later on Genshin Impact. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your App Store or Play Store on your device. After that, search for Genshin Impact. Then, check if any update is available. Over here, if you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the update to complete. After that, check your internet connection. Then use any internet speed tester to make sure your connection is stable and fast. After that, if the internet is slow, switch to a faster and more reliable connection. Then try launching the game again. Over here, if the issue still exists, clear the cache of the Genshin Impact app. After that, check your data settings and try logging in again. Then, if it still doesn't work, restart your device or reinstall the application. So that's basically how you can fix too many requests. Please try again later on Genshin Impact. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.